Hello everyone. This is the Welding Robot Acceptance Site. Executives from leading European steel groups visited the Robotics production workshop for on-site equipment acceptance. As shown, the workpiece can be repositioned at will, requiring no precise positioning. The Robotics next-generation intelligence system features auto-calibrating cameras and combines scan-based imaging with 3D reverse modeling technology to achieve one-click automatic workpiece alignment. Multiple workpiece types were tested in succession, with continuous welding operations supported throughout the entire acceptance process. All workpieces showed excellent weld formation, with flat and uniform weld beads, showcasing the equipment's outstanding advantages. The visiting European steel customers were highly satisfied with the equipment's performance, and the on-site acceptance test was passed flawlessly. Robotics intelligent welding production lines now operate routinely in over 30 countries and regions. Ongoing upgrades unlock new potential in intelligent welding, delivering smarter, more efficient solutions for industrial welding.